Have you ever wondered why some homes instantly feel luxurious, bright and elegant the moment you step inside? The secret isn't always expensive furniture or massive renovations. Often, it's the smart use of glass decor. Glass has the unique ability to reflect light, create a sense of openness, and add a sophisticated touch to any space. Today, we're exploring some of the most beautiful glass decor ideas that can completely transform your home and give it a modern, stylish look. Let's start with one of the most popular choices: glass coffee tables. Unlike bulky wooden furniture, a glass coffee table makes a room feel larger and more open. Because it's transparent, it allows light to flow freely throughout the space, creating a clean and airy atmosphere. Whether your home has a modern, contemporary, or minimalist design, a glass coffee table can fit perfectly into almost any interior style. Another stunning way to use glass in your home is through decorative glass wall panels. These panels are available in various designs, including frosted, textured, etched, and colored glass. They can turn an ordinary wall into a work of art while still allowing natural light to pass through. Decorative glass panels create a unique focal point that immediately catches the eye and adds elegance to any room. If you're looking to add color and character to your home, stained glass windows are a timeless option. For centuries, stained glass has been admired for its artistic beauty. When sunlight passes through colored glass, it creates mesmerizing patterns and vibrant reflections that fill the room with warmth and charm. Stained glass works especially well in entryways, prayer rooms, and dining areas. Modern homes often favor open floor plans, but sometimes privacy is still necessary. That's where glass partitions come in. Glass partitions allow you to divide spaces without making them feel closed off. They help maintain an open and spacious environment while creating separate zones for work, dining, or relaxation. This is particularly useful in apartments and smaller homes where maximizing space is important. Frosted glass doors are another excellent addition. They offer the perfect balance between privacy and natural light. Unlike solid doors that can make rooms feel dark and confined, frosted glass allows light to pass through while obscuring visibility. This makes them ideal for bathrooms, home offices, bedrooms, and study rooms. Moving into the kitchen, glass backsplashes are becoming increasingly popular in modern interior design. They provide a sleek, clean, and contemporary appearance while being incredibly easy to maintain. Glass backsplashes reflect light beautifully, making even small kitchens appear brighter and more spacious. They also resist stains and are easy to clean, making them both stylish and practical. For homeowners who enjoy displaying collectibles, trophies, books, or decorative items, glass display cabinets offer an elegant solution. These cabinets showcase your treasured possessions while protecting them from dust. The transparent design allows every item to remain visible and become part of the room's overall decor. Lighting plays a crucial role in interior design, and glass pendant lights are among the most stylish lighting options available today. Whether you choose crystal glass, colored glass, or minimalist transparent designs, glass lighting fixtures add sophistication and visual interest to any room. They create beautiful reflections and can become statement pieces on their own. Small decorative elements can also have a big impact. Glass bowls and centerpieces are simple yet elegant additions to dining tables, coffee tables, and countertops. Filled with flowers, candles, decorative stones, or seasonal decorations, these pieces can instantly elevate the look of a room without requiring a large investment. If your home has stairs, glass railings can dramatically enhance their appearance. Glass staircase railings create a luxurious and modern look, while maintaining clear sightlines throughout the home. They make spaces feel larger, brighter, and more open compared to traditional wooden or metal railings. Floating glass shelves are another versatile decor option. These shelves provide practical storage while maintaining a light and elegant appearance. Because they seem to float on the wall, They create a clean, uncluttered look that works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, and even kitchens. Indoor plants become even more attractive when displayed in glass vases. Transparent glass containers allow you to see the roots, water, and decorative pebbles, creating a natural and artistic display. Glass vases complement almost any interior style and help bring a fresh, organic touch into the home. Mirrors are one of the most powerful forms of glass decor. Large decorative mirrors reflect light, create the illusion of additional space, and add a sense of luxury to any room. Strategically placed mirrors can make small rooms feel significantly larger and brighter, making them a favorite tool among interior designers. Sliding glass doors are another excellent way to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. They connect indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly, allowing natural light to flood into the home. Whether opening onto a garden, balcony, patio, or terrace, sliding glass doors create a smooth transition between the interior and exterior environments. Finally, one of the most luxurious glass decor trends today is illuminated glass panels. These decorative panels combine artistic design with built-in lighting to create stunning visual effects. Installed behind beds, in living room feature walls, or along hallways, illuminated glass panels bring a premium hotel-like atmosphere into residential spaces. Glass decor is much more than a design trend. It is a timeless way to add brightness, elegance, sophistication, and functionality to any home. Whether you choose a simple glass vase or invest in dramatic glass walls and illuminated panels, these design elements can completely transform the way your home looks and feels. With the right glass decor choices, you can create a space that feels larger, brighter, more welcoming, and undeniably luxurious. If you enjoyed these home decor ideas, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite glass decor idea, subscribe for more home design and interior decoration inspiration, and share this video with anyone planning